Hi, Ms. Smith. My name is Greg. I'll be your CNA for today. I'm going to go ahead and do my hand washing. Turn on the water, warm temperature. Wet my hands first. Make sure you avoid splashing. Put some soap in your hands. Do not touch the sink. As soon as you put soap in your hands, you want to lather your hands for about 20 seconds. No less than 20 seconds. Anything below 20 seconds would cause you to fail. So what I tell my students is to count all the way up to 30, nice and slow. Okay? And you want to rub your wrists, your palms, your fingernails, okay? Each fingernail, top of your hand, and all around. Avoid touching the sink and avoid splashing. Now you can go ahead and rinse. Make sure all the soap is rinsed off. Again, avoid splashing. Keep your hands below your elbows so that water doesn't drip down. Rinse. Once the soap is all off, you can tap your hands together to avoid splashing. Grab as many paper towels as you need. Dry your hands. Make sure you throw this in the trash. Before, if your hands are still not dry, you can go ahead and grab another paper towel to completely dry it off. Make sure you throw this away in, and then grab a new paper towel just to turn off the faucet. And that's hand washing.